Hey, hey, hey guys, it's Miriam
and Patrick
with lots of toys.
You never really do two hey-heys.
You don't like the two hey-heys?
You just said it again.
We have some fun new toys. This time we have Kinetic Rock.
Rock dust.
The one and only, it says real rock, magically sticks together. And we've got a lodër, it's a construction site.
I know how it sticks together.
How?
It's a magnet.
It's a 3-in-1 lodër. Look at all the tools you get with it. You can drill, crush, and scoop.
Bumblebee looks like he's sinking into his legs.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look like gold?
Yeah. And we also have some knockoff transformers.
Look, there's a diamond. There's a diamond!
We're drilling for diamonds. Cool.
How come there's only one diamond?
Well, they're rare. Well, that means that you can't find a lot of them.
Okay. Today my dog chewed our American flag.
Yeah. And he chewed our shoes before.
Yeah, especially your $40 one.
Yeah, my favorite sneakers, he chewed them. Not happy about that.
Manny the Maniac.
But he's a cute little doggy, so we'll have to forgive him. And check it out, we have some Transformers. They're actually not the brand Transformers, they're kind of a knockoff version. I got them from China. I just wanted to try them out and see what they're like. They're tiny. Check out this guy. We'll see how easy it is to transform or not. And then we have this transformer, a police one. These are not branded, they're pretty plain. And then we have one that looks like Optimus Prime but with giant, super long legs.
Ah, put me down! Put me down! Ow.
What is the police doing? He's supposed to be serving and protecting? He's a police.
I think he's a Decepticon.
He's a Decepticon police?
Yeah, he's a Decepticon in disguise as a police. Get away, Decepticon. No, put me down! Hopefully my prosthetic arm can fix all this. This prosthetic arm is horrible.
That's a scissors. It's not a prosthetic arm.
It's like one. This is much heavier than I expected. Feels like one tiny rock. Look at the tractor! Da-da-da. Look at this. This is a huge monstrosity. Feel it! It's sticky.
Oh, it's super sticky. Look, almost looks like it's got particles that attach to it.
I drilled a hole. Kinetic. Here are the little stuff. This guy looks like a Roblox guy. Here's our guy. There, get buried. Now, get in there. Cover him. Now cover him up. Dig him up. Dig him up. What is that? Guy, your only duty is to drive this monstrosity.
And what about the tools? Can they fit inside?
I think that you're supposed to put them on this. Gotta bury this diamond a bit more. And we hit something! We've hit something.
You better go investigate. I think he's gonna be rich. I see something. It's sparkling in there. It's super, super bright.
We got a diamond.
That's gonna be worth millions.
Hey, I got a diamond. Lunchtime. What? But I didn't get to look at my diamond yet. Whatever. Ah! Oh, look, his hand is stuck to a shovel. You are safe and sound. Take your lunchbox and go. Here. This is where you eat lunch. Help!
Let's dig him out. This is really cool. It feels really sticky like honey, right? Doesn't it? And it kind of has particles that extend.
It's like kinetic sand, except it's a rock.
It all looks like gold.
I know, I just said that earlier. It looks like gold.
It's gold rock.
Hey, I'm trying to bury it. Oh, what happened to my arm? Who took his arm off? Oh, I got my arm back. Help, quick! We need to get to him. There, now dig him out with the shovel. Phew, I can breathe now. Now let's take off. No, what's happening to my diamond? It's coming back in the ground. Dig it up. There, just take it. Now the diamond's driving.
What? There's gold in his lunchbox. Can we get it out? Oh yeah, look at that. You can create these perfect shapes with the gold. And this could be your mold. Your mold for the gold. Hey, that rhymes. Then shake it out. He's ready to drive. This pivots and rotates, and of course detaches. Yay, we have a diamond! Perfect, we can take this with us. It's super flowy and sticky. It's got something that makes it stick. It's oily too on your hand, so it kind of moisturizes your hand if you're dry. So we have two other attachments we can use. You've got the scoop and then the jackhammer. Excellent. It's a really cool front loader now. Almost like a cart with a front loader. Let's see the jackhammer. That's the other attachment. This drill you can use by itself, just twist it, or you can attach it. The other tools that you have is a wrench, the shovel, the lunchbox, the pickaxe, the diamond, and the figurine. Super awesome construction site. Come back next time, we're going to take a look at our transformers and see how they stack up to other transformers.
Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to more fun videos posted every day.
See you guys next time. Bye everyone.